So I'm often asked, how long will implant retained dentures last? And there's basically a two-part answer to that. The implants themselves are fixated in the jawbone and they don't come out, we don't replace them, presuming you're taking good care of them. Once they're in, they can be reused. So the implant denture itself, just like a traditional denture, does have to be replaced because the materials, as you chew and over time, just like your natural teeth, they wear down. So you do replace them every few years. Often the denture itself is replaced about every 5, but inside the denture itself, there is little housings with nylon inserts, and that's what gives you the retention to clip things into place. And we change those parts approximately every 6 months to a year, depending on a person's chewing capacity. And that just makes them feel like they're brand new again. It makes them feel nice and tight again. So you do wear the rubber out, and that's really the main maintenance aside from you cleaning them at your house.